If you're experiencing controller drift in Valorant, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate the issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Go to the settings menu in Valorant and navigate to the controller settings. Ensure that your sensitivity and dead zone settings are properly configured. Adjust the dead zone to a higher value to see if it helps reduce drift. Step 2. Clean your controller. Dust and debris can cause issues with controller performance. Use a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the thumbsticks and buttons. Make sure to get into the crevices where dirt can accumulate. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any available firmware updates. Manufacturers often release updates to improve performance and fix bugs. Follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer to update your controller. Step 4. Test on different devices. To determine if the issue is with the controller or the game, try using the controller on a different device or game. If the drift persists, the problem may be with the controller itself rather than Valorant. Step 5. Consider a replacement. If none of the above steps resolve the drift issue, it may be time to consider replacing your controller. Look for models known for their durability and performance in gaming and read reviews to find one that suits your needs. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize controller drift and enhance your gaming experience in Valorant. Happy gaming!